Hi viewers, good day to everyone. I am your teacher Sardar Basha. Warm welcome to my classroom, and today you are going to learn notice writing. It is an advanced writing skill for classes 6 to 12. Let us concentrate fully and try to get complete marks, and it is for 4 marks. My dear students and friends, watch my video completely, like it, subscribe it, and click on bell icon. Welcome to my classroom teaching. Today's topic is notice writing. It is a writing skill. Here you are going to learn the drafting of a notice in an easy and simple way. You know, notice is a part of English advanced writing skills. Let us see what is a notice. A notice is a written or printed announcement or information. It is a formal means of communication issued in public interest. Notice is a means of formal communication targeted to a particular person or a group of persons. It is like a news item informing such person or persons of some important event. This can be an invitation to a meeting, an announcement of any event, or to issue certain instructions or make appeals, etc. Now the question is, why do we use notices? Because they are an effective means of communication in the modern age. They are one of the formal ways to reach a section of people or people at large in a short time to inform about various events, issues, and public instructions. Now let us see, where do we find notices? Normally we find educational notices and public or general notices. Educational notices are displayed on the notice boards of schools, colleges, institutions, organizations, etc. Whereas public or general notices are published in newspapers or magazines. Now let us pay attention on the topics for notice writing. There are various topics, but here you find a few important topics which are often seen in board exams. The topics are: the notice can be on a competition, on a lost and found property, an exhibition, an excursion trip, blood donation or eye donation camps, on cultural programs, or on collection of funds for the victims of natural calamities, or any such type of events or information to be issued in public interest. Now let us concentrate on certain important rules in general to be followed while writing notice. Always enclose the notice in a box. Adhere to the word limit of 50 words in the body of notice. Remember to give clear and crisp information. Use simple language in passive voice. Keep your notice short and to the point. Highlight the words notice and heading in bold. Heading should be captivating and eye-catching. Make use of all the available information in the question. State the purpose of writing notice clearly. Focus on presentation and clarity. Try to answer all the 5 W's. They are what, why, when, where, and who. Let me summarize the 5 W points. First of all, what? What is notice about? Should be mentioned. The notice should be clear about what is going to happen if it is event, or what has already happened if it is an occasion. This is the crux of the message and should be written clearly. There should not be any ambiguity. Coming to the second one, that is why. The purpose of notice should be presented properly. Third one, when. The time and the date of the event or meeting should be mentioned clearly. Fourth one, where if the notice is about the event, location of such an event must be written clearly. Coming to the fifth one, who. This will be who the notice is addressed to. Who are all supposed to adhere to the notice should be clearly mentioned to avoid confusion. Now, a few more important points to be noted while writing notice. Never use first person while writing a notice. We are not supposed to use first person while writing a notice. There should be no use of I, we and me. Avoid using of I, we and me. Don't include personal information in notice. You are not supposed to use any personal information in notice. Don't make hypothetical information and facts. Try to avoid. Be restricted to word limit of 50 words to avoid penalty of marks. Avoid repetition of any information. Now coming to the format, let us discuss the points to be included in the format. First, on the top, write the name of the school, organization, institute. Below that, write the word notice as title in bold letter. Write the date on the left hand side. For example, like 5th May 2020. Below that comes the heading. Write a suitable heading to the notice. Centralize it in bold letters. Then comes the body of notice. Here comes the content. Content should contain event, date of event, venue of event and time. Then below that, finish the notice with signature, name and designation. Designation is the post of the writer. Give layout in the form of box. Maintain word limit not more than 50 words. Now you can see the format of notice. It is in the form of box. On the top, name of school, institution, organization. Below that, notice. Both are in bold letters and centralized. Below that, date, month, year. Example, 5th May 2020. And below that, heading, that is title or subject, that is also in bold letters. Below that, body or content. Then finally, signature, name, designation. Now here comes marking scheme of notice. For format, 1 mark. For writing name of the school, date, heading, writer's name and designation and layout. And for content, 2 marks. For answering the questions like what, when, where and how, etc. Then comes for expression 1 mark. For overall organization, required content, accuracy and fluency, etc. Overall, notice is for 4 marks. Now, look at the question. For example, you are Suhas or Suhasini of St. Mary's High School, Hyderabad. Write a notice in about 50 words to be put up on the school notice board regarding the upcoming Vijayadashami fest. State important details about the upcoming fest. This is the question. Let us see the answer now. Now, look at the answer. St. Mary's High School, Hyderabad. Below that notice, left hand side, 10th October 2020. And in the middle, Vijayadashami festival, that is the heading. And the content, all the students are hereby informed that the Cultural Club of St. Mary's High School is organizing a Vijayadashami fest in the Vidyalaya premises as per the given details. Date 15th October 2020, time 9 am to 3 pm, venue CCA Hall and School Ground. All the students are hereby invited to attend and join the celebration. Below that signature, Suhas or Suhasini, President, Cultural Club. And that's all, viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.